Hello everyone, I'm back after a long time with a new video. There have been several requests that I got, not necessarily for the videos, but to elaborate on what to study for exams such as either corrosion technologist, or general corrosion certification exams, which may be API or such. So I'm trying to make this series of videos where you will know the major points that you need to study so that you can take it from there and go in depth as you go through the through your study routine. So the first video is on material properties. There are a number of types of material properties such as mechanical, chemical, electrochemical, electrical, physical, and out of those, there are certain which are applicable for most of the corrosion scenarios. So let's take a look at what those major properties are. First one is density. Density of material is the mass of material per unit volume. How tightly together are the atoms and molecules placed inside a material? Hardness is the resistance to a permanent change in the shape of the material. Ductility is the ability to stretch under an applied tensile load. Elasticity is the ability of the material to return to its original shape. Tensile strength is the ability to resist deformation and fracture under a tensile load. This is an extremely important property that is used for qualification of most of the materials used for corrosion intensive services. Yield strength, another critical property, it is the ability to tolerate stress before the material undergoes plastic deformation. Higher the yield strength, better is the material resisting plastic deformation. Toughness, ability to absorb energy and deform without fracture. Very important property for those applications which are under a compressive load and experience such compressive loads during their operation. Corrosion resistance, of course, it is the electrochemical ability to resist reaction with elements in the external environment, specifically those gases or moisture which can react with the elements to form compounds and lead to material loss. Wear resistance, a critical property for corrosion types such as fretting corrosion, where you need resistance to wear and abrasion due to movement of surfaces so that there is no material loss or localized temperature changes. And last is the conductivity, which is the ability to conduct electrical charges. This is critical for those applications such as electronics or those which use CP, cathodic protection, as their protection mechanism. Uh, this conductivity property is now becoming more and more critical because uh, there has been a huge impact of corrosion on electronics as well. So when you are selecting material for electronics, you need to have a good balance between conductivity as well as the corrosion resistance. So this is a short list of the properties you should remember. That's all for this video, and I will be back with another video and another topic to give you a short overview. Do visit my blog for quizzes, articles, and feel free to share the video with others who are preparing for the exams. Thank you and see you soon.